Welcome to Practice Easy English. 30 everyday collocations to boost your English vocabulary. Make a decision. Meaning, to choose or decide something. I need to make a decision about college soon. She made a decision to move abroad. Take a break. Meaning, to pause or rest from an activity. Let's take a break and grab coffee. I'm so tired, I need to take a break. Catch a cold. Meaning, to become sick with a cold. I caught a cold after getting wet. Don't go out, you'll catch a cold. Take a walk. Meaning, to go for a short stroll. Let's take a walk in the park. I took a walk to clear my mind. Keep in touch. Meaning, to maintain contact with someone. Let's keep in touch after the trip. I kept in touch with my old teacher. Pay attention. Meaning, to focus or concentrate on something. Pay attention to the teacher's instructions. He didn't pay attention and got lost. Have a good time. Meaning, to enjoy oneself. We had a good time at the party. I hope you have a good time tonight. Break the news. Meaning, to tell someone about important or surprising information. I broke the news about my new job. She was nervous to break the news. Take a look. Meaning, to examine or look at something briefly. Take a look at my new phone. Can you take a look at this email? Have a look. Meaning, to examine or look at something briefly. Have a look at my new car. Can you have a look at this map? Make a mistake. Meaning, to do something incorrectly. I made a mistake on the test. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Do your best. Meaning, to try as hard as possible. Just do your best in the exam. She did her best to help me. Get in trouble. Meaning, to experience problems or consequences. I got in trouble for being late. We'll get in trouble if we're caught. Make sense. Meaning, to be logical or understandable. Her explanation doesn't make sense. This plan makes sense to me. Take a chance. Meaning, to try something risky or uncertain. Sometimes you have to take a chance to grow. Take a chance, you might win. Have a problem. Meaning, to experience a difficulty or issue. I'm having a problem with my phone. We had a problem finding the place. Keep a secret. Meaning, to not tell others about confidential information. Can you keep a secret for me? I kept her secret for years. Make an effort. Meaning, to try hard to achieve something. I've been making a big effort to improve my English. Make an effort to finish on time. Break a habit. Meaning, to stop a regular behavior. I'm trying to break my coffee habit. It's hard to break a bad habit, but it's possible. Take notes. Meaning, to write down information for later use. Take notes during the lecture. I took notes at the meeting. Pay a visit. Meaning, to go see someone or a place. I paid a visit to my grandma. I paid a visit to my grandma. Let's pay a visit to the museum. Have fun. Meaning, to enjoy oneself. Did you have fun at the party last night? We had fun at the beach yesterday. Get lost. Meaning, to become confused about directions, or to go away. We got lost in the new city. Get lost, I'm busy right now. Take care. Meaning, to be careful or look after someone or something. Take care when you cross the street. I'll take care of the kids tonight. Make a promise. Meaning, to commit to doing something. I made a promise to call her. Don't make a promise you can't keep. Keep a promise. Meaning, to fulfill a commitment made. I kept my promise to help him. She always keeps her promises. Take a nap. Meaning, to sleep briefly, usually during the day. I took a nap after lunch. She needs to take a nap now. Have a chat. Meaning, to talk casually with someone. Let's have a chat after class. I had a chat with my neighbor. Pay the price. Meaning, to experience a bad result because of something you did wrong. He paid the price for his mistake. If you don't study, you'll pay the price later. Keep quiet. Meaning, to stay silent or not make noise. Please keep quiet while the teacher is talking. I kept quiet to avoid trouble.